I have here some swing replacement cushions. I'm going to take it out of the box and I'm going to put them on my swing. You can see it's packaged nicely, so I'm going to take it out and put it on my swing. I got it out, it fluffed up really quickly, it looks really nice, it fits my swing really well. My swing's a little bigger than most typical swings, and it still fits perfectly for what I need. So to install it, there's ties all around it, and all you have to do is take it and tie it on so they'll stay in place. So it's very easy and really easy to change out cushions on anyone's swing. I got the swing cushion all attached. It was super easy just to tie it on, so now it will stay in place and go nowhere. This fabric is very durable and strong. It's going to be waterproof, and it's going to be really easy to keep clean, just wiping it down with very mild detergent. And it's going to be skin friendly, so it's not going to irritate your skin. This cushion is super comfortable, has good padding, and it has pretty look to it with the way it's made. So I'd recommend it to anyone that needs a nice cushion. It's super comfortable, and it's going to work for anyone that has a swing that needs a replacement.